Super quick one this, I'm not even doing an intro, so we're going to dive right into Jerry Cantrell's new tune, Brighten. So for the tuning, usual rules apply. Everything goes down 1 fret or half a step. Okay, and the opening little riff is, which is just a little double stop on the 7th fret on the G and B. Little bend, so a little twist of the finger there. Rotation of the wrist, I should say. Then 9/7/9, 7/5 on the A, right? I'm not going to go through the rest of the solo bits, but if you want them, then comment below and it shall be done. Let's go for the verse riff, basically. It's the same as the intro riff. And it goes round like that, right? B5 chord, or a B major chord, to an E major. In terms of the rhythm pattern, it's pretty much the same all the way through. It goes like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Again, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Chorus riff is brilliant. I love the singing over this as well. It goes like this. Brilliant, isn't it? And you can totally hear the same pattern, which is down, 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 up, down, same as before, and then you change on the 4 and, but this time you're going to go to the A. So we're going from a D chord there to an A chord. Then you go to an E and then a B. All right, but the 2 patterns are the same because you're going to go. And then you replicate that exact same pattern with the E to the B. Cool, right? Then you go around that again. The second time round, you veer off a little bit when you go to the E to B part, right? And you're going to play this. And then back into the verse, right? So that is pretty much the same couple of phrases, but you basically come out of the and at that point on the 4 and again you're going to play, which is a C to a G, but you start on an upstroke, change, and then you do D to A with the same rhythm. And then you're back into the B. Which is just the same rhythm again, right? But it's over 2 bars this time. And then you're into. And then you're back into the verse part again, right? Then you got this part. That is it. If that varies subtly the next 2 times that it plays it, but for this time you're going to play same rhythm as before, but then you go and then you're back into the next bar, right? So it's just 2 on the E, 2 on the 2nd fret, F sharp, 2 on the 3rd fret, or the G, 2 on the 5th fret, but then a slide straight up to the 9th fret again, right? Now the difference when you play this riff the second time round, that one, is you play that phrase one extra time, right? So the last time you're essentially playing this riff twice, etc. Then you go, third time is with that bit again, right? We know that already, so we just tag that on there. Then you go into twice round of this. And then you just end on an E major. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon. Bye.